How to buy Spotify Premium on an iPhone. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. Well, first things first, on your iPhone, you want to install up Spotify and go ahead and open up Spotify and log into the account that you wish to purchase the premium on. You can head over to your browser and head into Spotify Premium. So once here, you can see Spotify Premium Individual. You can search in for it. If you want Premium Individual, then you can go to your account and simply go ahead and tap on Get Premium Individual here. Then you can see $0 for 1 month. Try 1 month for $0. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can head into payments.spotify.com. It'll ask you to log into your account. You want to log in, then enter in your credentials that you wish to use, such as billing address and your card details that you would like to add, and then go ahead and make the payment and you're good to go. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.